Hey guys, it's Amy with 804 Sycamore. Thanks so much for checking out this video. I'm really excited to show you something kind of more crafty, nothing to do with decorating. Crafting's DIY though, so this is a DIY craft project, and the supplies are so affordable and inexpensive, and it was a really quick project. I think you'll like that. But the most important thing about it was that I created something for both of my daughters to kind of encourage them throughout the school year. So press the thumbs up if you like the video and be sure to subscribe, and let's get going.
Okay guys, so my biggest tip is to spread out all of your supplies. It makes it easy to be able to see everything, and I kind of like to stack similar sized items together. So you know, with your first layer, you're looking for the largest, and then your second layer, maybe something medium sized. And I like to have a little bowl to put all my garbage, just keep it out of the way. My next tip is to pre-lay out some of your page designs. So this is, I just laid out a bunch, and then you can put on stickers at the very end. You don't have to plan those out. But I love using these little square adhesive stickers. It just makes it so much easier. It's not messy like a glue stick or a glue gun. I can place them wherever I want, and these ones happen to be removable, unless of course I stick it on tissue paper or something very delicate. But if I misplace it, I can carefully pull it up and reposition it, so that's pretty nice. But I really like just how quickly it goes, and honestly the funnest part is adding stickers at the end, and you can also use the stickers to help hold down some of these corners and just keep it more put together. These transfers are so cool. I got them on Taperology, and it's just a transfer, but the cool thing is it comes with this canvas fabric that you can put it on, and you can create bookmarks. Obviously you can add it to your junk journaling, but I love the frayed edge that is on this canvas, and it looks so cool. It's a little bit of a boho look, a little bit vintage, but you just transfer it onto this fabric like you would transfer it onto paper. And when you peel it back, it feels a little tacky at first, but then it's fine. It won't stick to your page after you close the book. So this is a really fun thing. You can add them to envelopes or little notes. They're just super cute. So, and again, I just used my little sticker squares, my adhesive squares, to stick this on as well. So you could use tape, but I like how you can't see your adhesive squares when you're doing the junk journaling. So as you can see, I'm pretty much filling up the page, which doesn't leave a lot of room for writing notes or messages, but that's okay. I don't expect my 16-year-old to do journaling, especially in this. I more want it to be something that she can get an encouraging scripture from for that week. I'm hoping there's 40 pages done. I'm hoping she'll start each week with a positive scripture, and that helps get her day going with something kind of artsy that she knows I created for her. So for my youngest, who's starting second grade, she gets cold lunch. She likes me to pack her lunch. And so at the beginning of her week, she's going to get one of my little handwritten, encouraging lunch notes. And a lot of people buy them or just write it on a Post-it. Whatever works for you is awesome. My little Quinn is very creative and crafty, and she loves butterflies and birds and all that stuff. And so I feel like just giving her something, that I made, that I thought of her, I think it will really impact her day, and I hope it will start the week out positively. So I just wrote little messages to her. She's a great reader. I didn't write her a big story, but when she opens up her lunch, I really think she'll enjoy getting this kind of little art from her mom and an encouraging note. So again, it just takes a little bit of time to kind of set up for, you could do a month at a time, just create 4 at a time for the month, or whatever you want to do. But I love this idea, and I feel like it can kind of help encourage my girls throughout the school year. So here are a bunch of lunch cards for Quinn. I have a couple months worth done, and I'm really excited to start sneaking those in her lunch bin. And then here is Sawyer's journal, and like I said, I made 40 pages. So that's about a school year, you guys. So hopefully every Monday she can, or Sunday night, she can take a second, read the scripture, have it be a good reminder for her, and just kind of start out that week with something creative and artistic, something that lets her know that I was thinking about her, and I put in some time to let her know that I care about her mental well-being and spiritual well-being. So that's it. Thanks for watching.